Chapter 4.3 Day 2 Elimination Notes. Eliminate 3x minus y equals negative 5 and negative 3x plus 2y equals 10. Step number 1. Line up corresponding terms and check that one of the variable has opposite signs. If not, check level 2 or level 3. In this case, the x and x are aligned and y are aligned. You can see that the 3x and 3x are same and opposite sign. When you add them, the 3x and negative 3x cancel, and negative y plus 2y becomes y, and 10 minus 5 is 5. Once you get y equals 5, you're going to use any of the given equation to use y as 5 and plug it this y for 5 and then solve for x. When you plug it in y as 5, you got plus 5 on both sides, and then 3x equals 0. When you divide with 3, you got x equals 0. You can also use the second equation and plug the y equals 5 into the second equation as y. So 5. Subtract 10 on both sides and divide with 3, you got x equals 0. So y is 5, x is 0, and that is your solution for this system of equation. So this system of equation has x as 0 and y as 5 as your solution. Practice problem level 1, you're going to add these two equations. Since x and x are same and opposite, so when you are going to add, these cancel. You got 9y equals 18. Divide with 9, you got y equals 2. You're going to use this 2 and plug it into the given equation. So you got here is negative x 6 times 2 equals 12. Negative x plus 12 equals 12. Minus 12 on both sides, you got a negative x equals 0, which means x equals 0. 0, 2 is your answer. For the next problem, again you're going to add the 3y and negative 3y cancel. 2x plus x is 3x equals 9 minus 6 is 3. Divide with 3 on both sides, you got x equals 1. Plug the x equals 1 into the given equation and you're going to get is 2 times 1 minus 3y equals 9. Subtract 2 on both sides, negative 3y equals 7. Divide with negative 3y, you got y equals negative 7 over 3 and x equals 1. You're going to try the next two questions by yourself. So this is you try and this is also you try. Look at the questions above and try these two. For the next one, where you're going to make them same or opposite, in this case 2y and 2y are same but they are not opposite signs, so you multiply the bottom equation by negative so that it becomes positive 3x minus 2y minus 10. When you add, you get here is negative 3x equals 0. Divide with 3, you got 0. Plug this x0 into any of the given equation. So in the first or second equation actually, you got 0 minus y equals negative 5. So you're plugging this x equals 0 into this equation. Y equals 5. You can also plug the x equals 0 into the given equation, this one, but you're going to get the same answer. So you can use this 0, plug it in either this equation or into this equation. For level 2, the first question, if you see the x and x are same but they are not opposite sign, so you're going to multiply one of the equation by negative so that one of them is negative and one of them is positive and get cancelled. So I'm going to multiply the bottom equation by negative 1. Top equation is as is, and the bottom equation is negative negative x, negative 3y, and negative 6. When you add these together, x and negative x cancel. 6y equals 18 minus 6 is 12. You're going to solve for y, so you're going to divide with 6 on both sides. Y equals 2. Once you get one variable, you're going to plug this variable into any of the given equations. So for example, this is y equals 2. You're going to either plug it in here or here. So I'm going to plug this value into the second equation as y as 2, and then I'm going to solve for x. So subtract 6 on both sides. I got x equals 0. So 0, 2 is your solution. Similarly, I'm going to do the same thing for the next one. I can see that the 3y and 3y are same, but we need to have them in opposite sign. So I'm going to multiply the bottom by negative 1. The top equation remain as is. 4x plus 3y equals negative 3. Bottom one is negative x minus 3y equals positive 6. Cancel these, you get 3x equals 3, as negative 3 plus 6 is 3. Divide with 3 on both sides. X equals 1. Plug that into the given equation. So 1 plus 3y equals negative 6. Negative 1 on both sides. 3y equals negative 7. Divide with 3. You got y as a fraction, that is negative 7 over 3. Next is, you have here is y and y same, so you're going to multiply one of them with negative. So I'm going to multiply the bottom by negative. Top equation is as is. 5x plus y equals negative 18. Bottom is negative x minus y equals negative 6. When you add them, you're going to get here is 4x equals 24. Divide with 4 on both sides. You got x equals negative 6. You're using the x equals negative 6 and use in the second equation. So plus 6 on both sides. Y equals 12. Similarly, in this case, you have 4y and 4y same. You multiply one of them by negative. So I'm using the smaller number is this one. So I'm just multiplying this one by negative. Top one by same as is. Bottom is negative 3x, negative 4y, and negative 1. These cancel. 7 minus 3 is 4x equals 4. Divide with 4. X equals 1. 3 times 1 plus 4y equals 1. You're going to subtract 3 on both sides. You got 4y equals negative 2. When you divide with 4, you got y equals negative 1 over 2.